Hello, I'm Dr. Pravada Telang. I'm based in Pune, Maharashtra. I did my schooling in Pune. I'm a practicing gynecologist for past 28 years. We are a family of doctors. We consider ourselves to be very lucky and blessed to be in this noble profession. Not only a doctor, but I'm an author too. I have authored a book known as Unselfish Desires. Besides writing, I am a lot into reading. I love gardening, and in my free time, I do a lot of hand embroidery. Driving for me was just a means of transport, but now I enjoy driving, and driving is a pleasure. This is Dr. Zoe. She is my daughter-in-law, and she is my daughter without labor pains. In fact, she learned how to drive on my Hyundai i20 N line.
It makes me feel very youthful. I love the paddle shifters and I love the sunroof, music and speakers and everything. It gives me a complete good city driving experience that I don't want to buy another car anymore. The moment I get in my car, I just put it on the wireless charging and my phone charges like that.
And I really love the safety measures, and I am most happy about the rear view camera.
And that's how Hyundai i20 N line has enhanced our quality time.